how to find your store physical dimension settings on Bigcommerce easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it. First open your browser and then click settings, and here we'll find general settings. Now type website, and as you see the first one here, physical dimension settings, and that's it. Manage here anything you want. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.